Welcome back to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we're going to learn exactly how to use CamScanner Premium in the easiest and most effective way. Now let's get started. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and make sure you've installed the latest version of the CamScanner app. To do that, open the Play Store, go to the search bar, type CamScanner, and hit search. Step 2. Now, tap on the correct result. If you see an update button, go ahead and tap on it to get the latest version. If you only see open, that means your app is already updated, so just tap open to launch it. Step 3. Once you're inside the app, locate the camera icon, usually at the bottom center of the screen, and tap on it. Then, position your phone camera over the document you want to scan and take the photo clearly to start creating your PDF. Step 4. After capturing the image, you'll see options to edit. You can crop the image to remove any unwanted borders. Then, apply a filter like Magic Color to enhance the text clarity. And finally, tap the checkmark icon to confirm your changes. Step 5. If you want to add more pages to your PDF, simply hit the Add button from the camera layout again. Then take more pictures, just like before, and follow the same steps to edit them if needed. Step 6. Now it's time to save and share your file. First, give your document a title that helps you recognize it later. Then tap the Share button at the bottom. From there, choose the Save as PDF option. After that, you can select any app like WhatsApp, Gmail, or others to share it instantly. That's it! You've successfully created and shared a professional PDF using CamScanner Premium. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.